Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Carissa if you're new, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a huge summer clothing haul from Princess Polly, Amazon, where else? Urban Outfitters, Forever 21, so stay tuned if you want to see that because I'm going to be styling a bunch of looks and I know you're going to love it.
In the calm fall air, and I think I'm changing back into someone I like to call myself.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm in a new location. I'm just like in my hallway because my mirror is here, and I was trying to figure out the best way to film a clothing haul because I really want to style the outfits, and where I was before it's just too complicated. So I found this cool hallway in my house with a big mirror, and I figure I will explain the outfit and then just show it to you right here, and it'll be a lot easier. So in this haul, I picked up a ton of dresses from Princess Polly. Huge fan of Princess Polly. I will put all the links and the clothing sizes down below. If you have any questions about anything else I'm styling it with, also feel free to leave a comment, but I will mention it throughout the video. And let's get started. There's a bunch of brands. I'll be sure to mention everything. And okay, let's get into it. Okay, the first piece I have on is Princess Polly. It is a mini dress with a white heart print. I don't know if you can see the print here. It has two ties on the top. Sorry, this is really difficult to do. Two ties on the top on the shoulders that are adjustable, and obviously on the other side. And then two ties up on the sides, and these are also adjustable. So if you untie these, you can make this dress as long as you want. I thought it was more flattering short because I'm wearing it with these boots from Pretty Little Thing. It's super cute. I'm obsessed with this dress. The material is great. This is why I love Princess Polly. I really feel like the quality of every piece I order from there is amazing. I've ordered, I think I placed 3 orders since I ordered my first thing from there, and I just keep loving what they're sending. This is a small shoulder bag from ASOS, I think was in another haul. And then I'm just wearing some hoop earrings, big hoops, and then plain jewelry on my hands. It is such a good basic dress. I would definitely recommend this. I feel like this would fit anybody. I mean, I can make this tighter or looser, so I think it's like one of those dresses that's a safe bet, and highly recommend. Love this one. Sorry if you can hear that noise. It is my air conditioner and I can't turn it off, so there we are. This is the second dress from Princess Polly. This is the like perfect sundress in my opinion. I'm wearing a Kappa bucket hat. The dress is from Princess Polly and it's green with like little flowers. It's shorter than the other fits, I will say. Like, I'm tall, 5'9", so on me, it's like I have to wear bike shorts underneath of it just so if I bend over, like I'm safe. But overall, it's like kind of the perfect length for a sundress on me. I don't like when they're too long. I feel like it makes me look, I don't know. I just don't like when they're too long. It has this little cinched detail right here in the boobs. It's double lined, so if you have a smaller chest, you don't have to wear a bra. The straps are adjustable. I'm wearing this chain from Boohoo. This is a Gucci bag, and my shoes are, Adidas Stan Smith with a little green on the back that matches the dress. So cute, summery. I love this dress. I feel like I would wear this. I wore it to lunch the other day, like just threw it on. It's one of those dresses that you can throw on at any moment and you don't really have to think about it. But it would also look really cute with like a little sandal or a mule if you want to dress it up. So it's kind of one of those staple pieces for the summer. And if you're sporty, you can make it look sporty. And if you're dressy, you can go totally girly. So I'm obsessed. And I think, you know, this is like, I never wear dresses. And this year I was like, I'm going to be a girl. So here I am. Girl, but me. Girl, but me. But girl, but me. You feel me? Okay. I really underestimate how exhausting it is to change clothes over and over again.
Okay.
But I'm back. This is a Princess Polly dress. It is silky. It's not real silk, but it looks like it. And it has this little, can you tell, this little flower imprinted on it. It's gorgeous. It looks like a slip. And it fits so nice. I'm loving these slits. So, like, one thing I've noticed, I'm pretty straight. Like, I have a booty, but from the front, I'm pretty straight. And these slits that are very trendy right now are really helping give you more of a shape. Why is my neighborhood so loud? Okay, I'm wearing it with whatever you guys want to do. Take your time.
A few moments later.
I'm wearing it with some layered gold chains just to give it some interest because it's such a simple dress. And these netted sandals from Zara with some anklets. I love a good anklet. These are so cute, by the way. If you are tall and you're looking for some kind of like heeled option for the summer, these are like perfectly low and also sexy and cute. And then this Louis Vuitton bag. You don't have to wear a Louis Vuitton bag. I just happen to have this. So I'm obsessed. It's really classy. I feel like it would be cute for dinner. On vacation, I kind of feel like this is perfect because it's just very light. What is with my neighborhood? Like, actually?
1 hour later.
I'm sorry about the audio, you guys. But yes, it's perfect for vacation. It's simple. You could throw it right on after you've been in the sun all day and it won't hurt your skin. And I love it. For the last dress in this haul, it is also from Princess Polly, and it is a lioness dress. So I think Princess Polly carries a bunch of different lines. It looks really short right now, but you can make it longer. Similar to the first dress with the tie-ups on the side, you can adjust these. It's a really thick knit material, almost like a sweater. So I imagine you'd be really hot if you wore this out in the daytime, but it is so cute. Like, I don't know how to describe how cute this is. I'm gonna pop in a picture because my friend Delaney also has this dress in tan and we took some photos together. It just photographs so well, it looks so cute. This dress is so popular. I feel like this is the official dress of summer 2020, even though none of us are going anywhere. And I paired it with this vintage Louis bag, Speedy bag, and then just some Air Force Ones because I don't really typically wear a lot of heels with my dresses. I just go sneakers, simple, so cute. Would highly recommend. I definitely size down. I believe this is a 4. Again, everything will be down below, but with this, it's so stretchy, and Delaney agreed with me. She bought a size 6 and she definitely could have fit into a 4. So this is kind of another easy one to order. Just order really small and then it'll probably fit because it's so dang stretchy. So highly recommend. And I have the blue color. I really wanted the green, but ultimately I'm happy with the blue. It's really pretty. It photographs so cute, so I'm excited to wear it. This outfit is a twofer because this top is from Princess Polly. It is so Christina Aguilera 90s. It's silky, these thin straps. It looks so expensive. It's really sexy. I'm obsessed. It's one of those tops that you can literally put with everything and it makes it look cooler. So I'm in love with it. And then these jeans are Princess Polly Lioness, and they're a little big on me, but I hate when jeans are too small, so I would prefer them be a tiny bit big. I belted them, but I think I'm going to have to get them fitted. I'm gonna have to get darts put in the back. But the thing I love about these jeans and why I got them is because the side has this amazing cute little slit, and they're really long, which is never a thing for tall girls. So if you're tall, these jeans are super long. I got them in a size 2, US 2, and they're still too big on me. And I'm normally, just to give you a reference, like in Levi's, I'm a 27. So I don't really know why they're so big, but I think if I get these taken in, I love the fit down the leg and everything, and then I think I'll be obsessed. So I'm just gonna go get them tailored, but still recommend them. I love the color. They're so cute for summer, and yeah, highly recommend. Loving this outfit. Very 90s. And then this little bag, again from ASOS, and the shoes are from Zara. Okay. This look is a threefer, actually. I intended to wear a lot of this stuff together because when I shop, I feel like I shop with outfits in mind. So let's go top to bottom. I'm gonna start with this top that is from Princess Polly. Love that store. It is so cute and different. Now this can also tie behind me, but I decided to tie it in the front. It's a little confusing to get on, but like it's such an interesting, cool top, and it kind of looks like a bathing suit top. I feel like I would wear it as a bathing suit top because why not? Some black bottoms if you're not really gonna get in the water. It's just cotton, so I don't know. It's really cute and it's adjustable. I don't have big boobs, so I can't really help you if you have big boobs, but it does feel like it holds them in. So if that helps you at all, I don't know, I think it's kind of a gamble. This little flannel, which I'm obsessed with this color. I can never find a cute flannel that I think is like the right color, size, and everything, and I think this one's perfect. It's from Forever 21. It is a men's flannel. I think that's the key, guys. You've got to get men's sizes for them to look relaxed and cool and chic, and it looks very 90s. I love that it's black and white, and it honestly can go over anything. And this outfit on its own might seem a little risque, so if you're like, you know, meeting up with people that you feel uncomfortable around, just throw this on and you can just kind of, you know, play with it. That's usually my trick for when I look too risque. Okay, I paired it with this little Louis bag just because it matches, and then this skirt is also from Forever 21. It's one of those like Tennessee kind of skirts with this detail I was talking about earlier, and it's perfect. It's just like simple. The material is really thick, and although it's white, you can't see through it. I have black underwear on and you can't see them. So that's major key. And then I just paired this with some Doc Martens. These are the green, like softer kind. And it's just a really cute like 90s grunge outfit. Definitely something I would wear. And I'm kind of obsessed, so highly recommend all of these pieces. This might be my favorite haul I've done yet on my channel, because this is like the most, it's hard to style and show you guys at the same time, but this is the most me looks I think I've ever shown, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. For my last trick, my last look, it's a little more casual than the rest of them, but it's so weird what just happened. I was getting ready to show you my last look, and then I got an Amazon delivery, and it was these earrings. I found the most amazing hoops on Amazon, 2 different sizes. This is the biggest size. I'm gonna do a separate video on these hoops just because they're literally incredible. And then I got a smaller size. Here, they're sitting here. This, a little bit smaller. I'll put the sizes I have below, but they are perfect, and they're from Amazon, and they came in like 2 days. So as I was about to press play or record on this, they showed up. Okay. Top to bottom, because this is a 3 for as well. This top is a men's button-up see-through top from Urban Outfitters. It is perfect for summer. Like when I say perfect, over swimsuits, over dresses, over casual outfits like this. It is literally so comfortable, can transform any outfit into something more casual and cool, and I love men's button-ups as little over things to add some swag, because I just feel like it just looks more cool that way. I don't know if that makes sense. And also it covers you up, so if you don't want to be out in a tank top, you can just throw this on. Second piece are these tank tops from, again, Amazon, and they're a 3-pack. They came in a 3-pack, so I have black on, then there's this gray charcoaly color, and this like khaki green color. They are perfect. They're really inexpensive, and I think I was gonna wear them for working out, but I've actually been wearing this around the house so much lately because it's just a comfortable, perfect little tank top. It's cotton and I'm obsessed with it. And then these shorts actually came as sweatpants that I ordered off Amazon, and the fit was so strange. Like when I tell you strange, it was like the thighs were so tight, but then this was huge. And if you sit it down here, it doesn't really look normal. I don't know how to describe this. But I don't know, so I like them up higher. But I did cut them into these sweat shorts, and they're kind of perfect as sweat shorts. So I do recommend them if you're looking for sweat shorts. You can DIY these. I'll attach which ones I got down below. I'm also gonna do a whole separate Amazon finds video because I've been finding the most amazing stuff on Amazon. I really can't believe that these are from Amazon. And they're like gold plated. So, and they weren't expensive. I'm so confused, but Julia Havens recommended them, and I think everything she recommends is bomb. So yeah, so this is my casual outfit, and then as shoes, I'm wearing these Adidas slides, because this is like if you're laying around the house, but like you have mail coming, and you have people coming over, but you don't, you know, want to be dressed up, but you don't want to look like crap. This is your look, guys. This is it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the pieces I styled. If you have any questions, again, leave them down below. And if you want to see these pieces styled in photographs, check out my Instagram at Carissa_Fawn. I'll put it right here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.